Welcome to Copeland's Cuisine. Today we're going to show you how we make our pulled beef enchiladas. A quick rundown on the rub: there's chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes, oregano, smoked paprika, ground cumin, kosher salt, black pepper, ancho chili pepper. I will put all of this down in the description, so no worries. You want to go with 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a vacuum seal bag. We're going to marinate this beef for 2 days. If you got 2 days, you can do 24 hours. 2 days is perfect. And you want to go ahead and just add the rub to the bag. You want to go with 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Just mix it up as best as you can. Now, I just went ahead and added a little bit of water just to kind of mix things up a little bit better. Now it's time to vacuum seal it up. When you vacuum seal it, really locks in the flavor and it really gives the rub a chance to penetrate the meat. And like I said, you want to let that sit in your fridge for 24 to 48 hours. After about 2 days, you want to go ahead and get your slow cooker or your crock pot out and set it to low. Cut that bag open and put the meat directly into the crock pot. There's no extra juice or anything in there, no extra liquid in the crock pot yet. Now I like to add a little bit of jalapeno juice. And you want to cover it and just set it and forget it for about 8 to 9 hours. After about 8 or 9 hours, it is fall apart tender, and you can just pull it apart with a spoon and that's all you have. Now after you shred it, go ahead and add diced and sauteed red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper, and onion. And you just want to fold it, which means go to the bottom and scoop up and kind of fold it over itself. That way it doesn't turn into mush. Now go ahead and add a little bit of jalapeno juice. A little bit more lime juice. Just give it a good fold. After you did that, it's time to put these bad boys together. Now just get a good amount of that meat, that shredded up beef, and get a flour tortilla and just pile it in there. Now you just want to go ahead and repeat that process for however many enchiladas you're going to make. Add your favorite enchilada sauce. And last but not least, add a good amount of cheese on there. Now you just want to low broil that until your cheese is nice and melted. But that's it, guys. I mean, it's a little bit of effort, but it's well worth it. The meat was extremely tender. It was phenomenal. So give this recipe a shot. Let us know what you think about it. And we will see you on the next episode of Copeland's Cuisine.